How long does a floor really last? Let's find out. Every floor looks great on the day it's installed, but that's not what really matters. The real question is, what happens after everyday life begins? Spilled water, moving furniture, daily foot traffic. These aren't unusual situations, they're part of everyday life, so instead of making promises, we decided to look for real answers. Today, we're putting this floor to the test. Let's start with one of the most common challenges. Water, a spilled drink, wet shoes, a small accident in the kitchen. We poured water directly onto the surface and simply waited. No special treatment, no hidden tricks. Just a real-life situation after wiping the surface clean. We took a closer look. No visible changes. A good start. Next, scratches, keys, everyday objects, the kind of wear every floor experiences over time. Honestly, we expected to see at least a few marks, but after taking a closer look, the surface held up better than we expected. Now for the final challenge: pressure, heavy furniture, daily foot traffic, the kind of weight every floor supports throughout its lifetime. So, did anything change? After another close inspection, we couldn't find any noticeable deformation. So far, it's holding up really well. 3 challenges, 3 real-life situations, 3 encouraging results, but real life doesn't stop here, neither do we. This is only the beginning. We'll continue testing, we'll continue learning, and we'll continue sharing everything we discover. So now we'd like to hear from you. What should we test next? Leave your ideas in the comments. If enough people ask for the same challenge, we'll make it our next video. What should we test next? Let's find out.